What's the meaning of bench? Bench. Bench.
Bench. Bench. The term bench can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. A bench can refer to a long seat, typically made of wood, stone or metal, that is designed for multiple people to sit on at the same time. In legal terms, a bench refers to a judge's seat or the group of judges presiding over a case. Other definitions of the word include a flat surface used by carpenters or other craftsmen, and an area designated for athletes to practice their skills. The term can also be used as a verb, meaning to put someone or something on a bench or to set aside for later consideration.